Hey, I'm Sam from RTP Customs, and the question is, can my wheel be repaired? So today I brought to you a machined wheel that has excessive damage on the side wall. It has chunks missing. So if you have a wheel that looks similar to this, here's what you should expect. Our main goal is to ensure that you're 100% safe on the road. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna check this wheel for any structural damage. If it's bent, it's gonna be straightened before going through the chemical strip down process. And then from there, it's gonna get welded. In this case, in order to weld this wheel, or in order to repair this wheel, it has to go through a TIG welding process, which basically means that we have to fill in all the missing chunks, and then from there we have to machine the wheel and then clear coat it. Once we weld it, there's a possibility you're going to see some small pinholes, even discoloration within the finish. Any type of impurities within the casted material can actually cause some bubbling up once new material is being TIG welded to the wheel. Once it's welded, it goes through the machining process, and then from there clear coated. Alright, so this is the final result of this wheel after going through the whole entire process. Again, structurally, it's back within factory specs, but if we look closely here on the machined area, there's the small pinholes that we are talking about. It's small imperfections that is very hard for us to control. We do our best to provide you the best quality work, and in this case, it's the quality of the wheel, the material it's actually made out of, that is causing these bubbles. If your wheel has this kind of damage, our main goal is to provide you with the worst case scenario. So the best thing we can do is beat your expectation. If you have a damaged wheel, make sure you comment below. Let us know exactly what you're going through, so that way we can post videos that walk you through the process and give you expectation of the final result. Make sure you subscribe. We got a lot of tons. Make sure you subscribe for future videos and future updates directly from RTP Customs.